Today I'm going to show you the exact cabinet upgrades that make or break your kitchen function, whether you're on a $5,000 budget or going all in at it at $50,000. So organization is a big thing when you're thinking about your kitchen. We always want to be nice and organized in our house because then you start buying stuff you don't need. One of the best features of organization that we like is hiding that trash can. Check this out. Let's say you're carrying stuff in your hand and you just don't want to dirty your cabinets. You kind of just quickly hit it. There it is. There's your trash can. Nice and organized. You got your regular trash and you got your recycle bin. Another key organization feature that you can't forget to add in your kitchen, if you have the room, it's gonna be one of these bad boys here. It's a pullout. The beautiful thing about this one here is you could put your spoons and your cooking utensils here. So if you put this right next to your stove, this is a great place to put it. You could put your oils, your spices down at the bottom. So when you're cooking, quick to grab spoons and everything. So this is one of the cool features to have. It's a pull-out organization. Another great option that people have for organization is when you have a double tier drawer system, instead of grabbing that big drawer, check this out. You could do a hidden drawer. It's a hidden rollout, so it goes on the inside. You could put anything you want on there, push that bad boy in, and you still have your dishes and your pots and pans for the big drawer in there. One of the other things that we love for organization is where do we put our knives? A nice knife block is always a good option to do. Basically, you put your knives in there, you organize them nice and well so you get your knives out of the counter. So what we love is we love clear counters. Put your knives away, put them in the nice drawer, easy, out of mind, out of your countertops. Here's another one. Let's say you have a corner and it's a dead corner, but you want to utilize that corner. There's many options when it comes to the corner. Here's one that's very popular, is the Lazy Susan. So this Lazy Susan, the beautiful thing about this Lazy Susan, you don't have the center pole. This is a Lazy Susan on shelves. The beautiful thing about this is you don't have to worry about this collapsing on you or anything like that. That's the biggest thing I get callbacks on, is when there's a pole in the center, the Lazy Susans tend to give out. Beautiful thing about this is you got a shelf, you got the Lazy Susan here, you got the Lazy Susan down there. You utilize that great corner in the back. We created a free guide called the Ultimate Kitchen Cabinet Renovation Guide. It breaks down exactly what you can expect at different budget levels, from 5,000 cabinet upgrades to 50,000 custom design. Download it free below. You have a big family and you put this bad boy in your kitchen, the pantry in there, and you want to store a lot of stuff. One cool thing about this pantry is that you have rollouts on the inside. What does that mean? So when you have stuff way in the back, we tend to forget what we put in the back. So what these rollouts do is they kind of bring everything up to front to us, so that way we don't forget what we have in the back. So now we don't have to worry about that. The other cool thing is that you don't have to roll it around on the floor, bring out your stuff. You organize your food, all your canned goods, everything in there, and it looks great. This pantry here gives us another cool option. So we get to put our cooking trays. So if you're a baker and love to bake and have multiple cooking trays, or you just like to cook pizza, this is always a good option to organize all your cooking trays. You can put your baking trays, your muffin trays, your pizza trays. Great option for organization for you bakers out there. A lot of people eliminate the drawer on top of the cooktop. You always want to use that one. Make it a thin profile, so where you're getting it here with us or you're having someone make it for you, you could always go with a nice thin profile drawer above your cooktop. Don't let someone tell you, hey, that can't be done, unless you got that big, nice, heavy duty cooktop in there. A drawer underneath your cooktop, that's always a bonus. Utilize all the space. Let's say you don't want to put drawers. Maybe the cost is too much for drawers. Rollouts is always a good option as well on your base cabinet. So you just open up your cabinets. You got the rollouts on the inside, so that's always a bonus as well. Now let's say you have a corner cabinet, but you don't have enough room to put that Lazy Susan that I just showed you, but you want to utilize that corner. We call this a dead corner. Here's a little quick on what to do. This is what we call a Le Mans. So the beautiful thing about this is you get to utilize that corner. Even though you don't have not full room for a Lazy Susan, you get to put your stuff in there, organize your stuff, you utilize that whole corner, and just kind of send it back and good to go. So most common kitchen companies will tell you, hey, let's put only a 3-drawer bank in your kitchen. You always have the option of doing a 4-drawer bank. A 4-drawer bank basically gives you more space. You could put more stuff away. So instead of just having 3-drawer banks, you could have a deep drawer bank in the bottom. You can have a medium size and then 2 small ones on the top. Come check this out. So here we have a double tier cutlery drawer box. It's 1 drawer box on the outside, but once you go on the inside, you can see how this one goes back. Gives you 2 sections. One for your spoons, knives, and forks, and another section for more spoons and knives and forks. So if you're in the Los Angeles area, come pay us a visit here at 6322 West Slauson Avenue in the beautiful city of Culver City at the Kitchen Store.